Hey everybody, so with my 2021 Beta 300RR Racing, while I'm doing the skid plate, I'm taking a look at the exhaust and just kind of cleaning it up under there from having the O-rings be bad on it and just leaking for a long time now. So a lot of spooge and new springs. I think this was like 12 bucks, I want to say. But it's the FMF stuff. And here is the focus. There's the ones. You can see they're cracked, they're brittle. Just fell right off. Boom. And they're flat too. So yeah, they were leaking through. So I'll clean up around here, put on new ones, button that back up, and then get to the skid plate. Just a short video to show you, just to do some basic little maintenance like this. Isn't too hard. Just remove, after you have your skid plate or whatever protection you have on it off, bolt here, and then I just took off both bolts there, which is that piece. And that's what we have going on. Kind of cleaned up the frame rail. That was for the new skid plate to go on. And that's how it looks. And also, I should point out, why I started off the video, clean that surface, because you want the end of this to mate flush and just have the best seal as you possibly can so your exhaust gases don't leak out. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.